On to our next guest. She has made semi-homemade cooking a phenomenon with her mega hit Food Network show, book, and magazine of the same name.
She is back better than ever before, this time as host and judge of Blue Ribbon Baking Championship on Netflix. So please welcome food and lifestyle expert, the one, the only, Miss Sandra Lee.
Dun, 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 dun.
Hello.
Back there.
Hi. Good to see you.
And you guys get a blue ribbon for Best in New York show today.
We love that. Oh, look at that.
There you go.
Your best in show. This is nice.
I know.
Now
Normally
listen.
it comes with a $100,000 check.
Oh, wow.
Don't touch the ribbon.
Okay,
Don't
sorry.
touch the ribbon.
Okay.
Okay.
All
He
right.
also doesn't even bake, so you know what? It's
You
a
know,
privilege and an honor that you're holding the blue
I'll just
ribbon.
stand here.
Nobody, yeah, a little higher.
Just to,
There you go. No, not that. No.
Just right here. This
Isn't
is
it great?
Perfect. That's what they like.
Well, it's fair season.
Yeah.
So that is why I created this show 12 years ago.
Wow.
I originally wanted to bring it to life when competition shows started
Right.
on the Food Network.
Right.
And they said, no one will watch it. And I thought, wait, half of America goes to a fair of some sort, state, county, local, and it's a $15 billion business.
Wow.
Of course, and so Netflix, of course, is like,
Yeah,
let me
sure.
figure this out real quick.
Yeah, right.
And here we are,
12 years ago.
12 years ago.
Well,
That's
look at
right.
you.
Never been to a state fair.
I've never been to a
No.
I know. Is it okay? We're still
Erie
doing it?
County is going on right now.
We gotta
You
try
can
it.
just
You know
go
what,
to
let
New
me-
York for the
let me just
weekend.
Let me do-
You know what? Go right now.
Oh, the Renaissance Fair is also going on right
There
now.
is a
I'm just
Renaissance Fair in
saying.
Connecticut as well.
Yes, they dress up.
Are you? Yeah, and you're holding that ribbon really low. You
it
have to like
can't- it
respect the
cannot-
ribbon.
Sorry.
Anyway.
We couldn't get a little thing for this. We had to.
And we have-
Budget cut.
So the Netflix show, we have 10 competitors. It's 8 episodes.
Yep.
It is a breeze. Everybody that watches it binges it.
Yeah.
It's a $100,000 prize, and what it is former ribbon winners from across the country competing.
Okay.
And one of them, smartly, because I am Sandra Lee, and as a judge, I was just saying, she used some liquor. She did a cocktail time in her cake. I won't say who won, but I'm just saying you should watch the show. You'll be surprised.
Yeah, you had to recreate the infamous food on a stick,
Oh yes.
right?
That was the
first one.
It was the first one, and the reason why we did that is everybody, there's 200 ribbon opportunities in any given fair, and so some people are great at pie. Some people are great at food on a stick,
Right.
icing, cakes, whatever it is, and so we wanted to level the playing field. And I even did a little surprise on the show, and I fed Jason Biggs the hot food on a stick at the
yes.
Arizona State Fair, and it is snake.
Oh,
So we
Look
were
at
a
that.
little naughty, mostly
Look at that.
nice,
Wow.
but a little naughty
What'd that taste like?
on our
See?
set. There's a lot of
You had
trauma, a lot of drama, but everybody's
My arm's
loving
getting
and sweet
tired
and
here.
nice.
I gotta lower just a little
it's
bit.
got to.
Oh, is
can't
it
touch
heavy?
It's
a heavy lift.
I haven't lifted this in a while.
You have no idea. I don't think you could handle that check then.
No,
$100,000. Are you kidding me?
But she is being some type of way about the blue ribbon because she in fact won
Yes. Yes.
a blue ribbon.
Very prestigious.
I did the LA County Fair in 1992. For those kids out there that call us, oh, you were born before 2000s, I feel so.
Yeah.
Yes, I am your Aunt Sandy, really.
That's right.
I am Aunt Sandy Claus,
What
Sandra
was
Lee.
what was the winning pie?
Formula, yeah.
The winning pie where?
When you won a blue ribbon.
Oh, I won for display and design. I started in home and garden and crafts, and then I went into fashion and beauty, and I have an Emmy for makeup. My
Yeah.
whole team does, and
Congratulations.
host. And then I went into food, and it's crazy that food was what I wanted to do was just show everyone how to use what they had in the grocery store and in their pantry.
Yeah.
Right.
I did not want to recreate the world. I didn't want to say you have to do it all from scratch. I wanted to take the guilt
Thank you.
factor away and just say, this is how you can make your day fantastic.
That's right.
Thank you.
That's right.
And so Semi-Homemade took off, 15 years, 15 seasons,
Congratulations.
25 cookbooks.
Yeah.
And can you believe then, right in the heat of all that, I wanted to do this show and they said no.
And
I
they
didn't
said
say
no.
All right.
You know
You know
what?
what makes my day easier, Sandra? A cocktail.
Yeah.
Really?
So
He's been
All right.
talking about this
I got
swirl
you.
since before the show even
I
started.
saw it come out, and
Okay.
yeah.
So are you a fan of mezcal?
Yes.
Okay, great. This is a mezcal that does not have that kind of like
Smoky?
smoky flavor to it. It's a very hot brand, Dissol. Did I say that right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Dissol, sorry.
Yeah.
And then this is like the hot new thing. Instead of Campari, you know.
I love this.
If you know Amante, you know. If you know, you know.
Yep, if you know, you
If you can even find it. Like this
Yes.
is like the hot thing.
It's hot.
And then we have some rosé liqueur, we have some lychee puree, we have some lime juice. So here's what we're gonna do. 1 part of the tequila.
Just eyeball that, right?
I have a girlfriend, and she will only drink tequila because of health. She
Yeah.
just is like,
Sure.
it's the healthiest thing to drink. So here we are.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do half part of lime juice. You know what?
Just, yeah. I mean,
Half part,
true to who you are. Just eyeball it.
half
Yeah,
part.
That's right.
What's that, the lychee?
I am gonna dilute a little bit. Quarter part of the Amante. Now this is, you know, a lot of people like Campari. I don't know. I'm not.
Well, it has a bitter.
If
has
it-
bitter.
this
Yeah.
is
If it
not
goes over the edge, it
smooth.
tastes like orange soda too
Yeah.
much for me.
But this is better than Campari.
a splash.
Pretty.
Splash, okay, that's
I'd
nice.
never seen this before, so I
Me
bought a
neither.
case. I'm like, what was I thinking? You need like a. I'll take a case.
It's so pretty.
A splash of that, and it's beautiful.
Nice.
Okay.
So this is a fall rosé lychee martini.
I love it.
Give it a stir. Are you tasting? Are
I
you
will
the
taste it,
taster?
We're
Okay.
both tasting, and this is like a shoulder
After I've been holding
libation.
this ribbon all day.
Hey,
I
but
need to
don't let it hit
drink
the floor.
Let's see if this is a. It is real. This is not fake.
Yeah.
So we're only going to give you
Manna.
a little.
Try a little.
Okay, a little. Tell us how that works.
Okay.
I'm doing QVC's
You like
big.
that? business?
The mezcal with this.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's good,
it
right?
all is
You like that
nice.
business?
This is fall in
Thank
a
you.
cup.
So I'm going to have a sip because later on today, QVC is in town. The Dennis Basso. Cheers to Dennis Basso's
Cheers.
fashion line.
Cheers, yes.
Do we
Cheers to
love
them.
him?
Yes.
Anyway, so QVC is here. I've been part of QVC for 30 years,
Yeah.
but also we have Q50, which is basically
All
a whole
the things.
movement of women
Yes.
over 50 helping one another, which is why Tamsin and I are so
Yes.
such good friends.
Thank
Cheers.
you so much.
Cheers.
Congrats on all the things. Make sure to check out Blue Ribbon, a baking championship. It streams on Netflix. You outdid yourself, lady.
Oh,
This
wow.
was
Right?
fantastic.
You outdid yourself.
Whoop, whoop, cocktail time.